you don't use it the way it's designed, they atrophy. Well, from Dr. Buteyko's perspective, that's the same with the lungs. When they're used inappropriately, they atrophy. And that is the key, the problem. And that's why you have people who have COPD, who when they start to apply this method, because they have damage, it takes longer, but they see improvement in ways that they're told by the medical community that they can't improve. Ludmilla, Dr. Buteyko's wife, shared this quick story. She had an X-ray taken before, or when she was very sick, and her lungs demonstrated how she had significant lung disease. Well, years later, obviously after practicing Buteyko for a number of years, she got an X-ray done again. Her lungs were clear. Took it to the medical community. They looked at both X-rays. They said, this person who had the damaged lungs, this is an entirely different person. Says there's no way that this person could be the same person because of the progression, the improvement of the lungs. Even though she was saying, I'm that person. This is not, I'm showing you and I'm saying this is what my X-rays was before. This is what years later my X-ray was later. They didn't believe her. They said that's entirely impossible. So there you have it. Hopefully that helps.